So we're on the hunt today. That's right, we're going hunting. Right, Kinsley? We're going hunting. We'll see what we're gonna get. It's gonna take us a little bit to get there. Got a couple places to go.
You think you're my baby. How about you?
But yes, we're going hunting. When we're going, anybody can go. It's nothing special. We're just on the hunt today. Sometimes you gotta take some turns to get there. Go through some industrial parks. But eventually, you'll get where you need to go. Sometimes, stop signs at intersections get in the way when you're on the hunt. But you keep going. And then, yeah, sometimes these stoplights get in your way too when you're on the hunt. But you keep going. Well, we made it to our first stop.
Hunting.
That's right, hunting. To see if we're gonna find what we want on our hunting ground here. Let's go check it out. All right, well, we got our first tool for our hunting. Let's go see what we can get. I feel like we're getting closer. Let's keep digging deeper. I think we're getting closer. That's not exactly what we're looking for.
I found the
Any of this? Wait, did you hear that?
What?
Nope. I thought I heard something. Keep looking.
Daddy?
Okay, so I think the first hunting grounds didn't prove for what I was looking for. I did get a couple spray bottles,
I know.
but it's not what I was really looking for. So I'm gonna go look at another place here. So as we're getting ready to walk out, I think I found what I was looking for. One of the things. Gotta be very quiet as we sneak up on this. Yeah, dirt, but I like to get organic dirt, so I don't think it's what we wanted. So that's okay that it wasn't organic dirt. I wasn't gonna get it, but I know the dirt is coming out. Right, Halen? Kinsley? So we'll keep looking out for that organic dirt. Let's be very quiet as we approach it in the wild. So our first stop, yeah, we got a couple of things. If you haven't already figured out what I'm doing, I'm on the hunt for gardening stuff. I'm looking just for anything. I'm looking for some organic dirt for my hoop house greenhouse, and I'm also looking for potatoes. It might be a little bit too early for potatoes. I might have to wait another month, but I'm gonna keep looking until I find them and some of that dirt. I'm gonna go check out a couple more places and see what I can get. So we made it to our second hunting ground spot.
Me too.
That's right, she's coming with me. See what we can get. Let's go check it out. What?
Howdy ho.
Yeah. So I found a couple really good things. Those bee houses. Highly recommend these. Maybe not that exact one, but a bee house for your garden. And I'm getting a temperature gauge for my greenhouse. Hey, so we didn't find exactly what we were looking for, but we did find this. It's a temperature humidity gauge. It was on my list, not today's list, but it was on my list to put out in the greenhouse. One thing we did find that I've been wanting for a while and I've been saving up for is one of these weather stations. So I'll know exactly what the temperature, wind, humidity, and how much rainfall I get right on my land or on my house, whatever you want to call it. So we're at the last stop at our hunt. This is where I got one of the things that I wanted on my list. This is where I got it last year. Still think it might be a little bit too early in the season to find them out here in the wild at the stores. Let's go check it out. I don't have any chickens yet, but
Are they growing?
not something I can get anyway. So that was a bust. Tractor Supply did not have the potatoes. I know they'll have them. And I know it's a little bit too early right now. But still hoping I can find them. We're not getting any chickens. As much as I really want to grow chickens, I need a lot more land to do chickens. But we're not going to do that right now in our future. So, I think we're all done.
But chickies are not growing yet.
Chickies are not growing yet.
Inside.
So yeah, I think it's important to get stuff for your garden every year. Always improve on it. I got new things going on in my garden, like my greenhouse, so I had to get a temperature gauge for that. And then I've always wanted that weather station. It's really going to help me gauge the wind. This wind really does matter. Wind does really matter because it can really dry out your plants. And then when they're really young, right, if it's going to be really windy, we're going to want to maybe put some protection over them. And then, obviously, the amount of rainfall that we get so we don't overwater our garden. You know, overwatering your garden is one of the number of reasons why we have pests in our garden. You know, those slugs or those other nasty bugs. Also, overwatering the garden is going to give your roots a lot of that root rot. We really don't want that in our garden. So those are some, making sure you understand how much water is going in there is really going to protect your garden. Hey, thanks for joining us on our hunt today. I say a successful hunt. Wasn't what I was really looking for, but hunting is always, hunting can always just be fun, can be, you don't know what you're going to get. And that's what happened, right? I didn't know I was going to get my weather station. Oh, I think it was a pretty successful hunt. I'm going to keep hunting for those other items that I really need for my garden. I need some of that organic dirt, and I need my potatoes. I'll get them. Just keep patience, time, and we'll get our potatoes and our dirt. So again, thank you for joining me today. And Kinsley. Happy New Year. Okay. We enjoy sharing our just experiences with you guys all. Appreciate you coming along. Until next time, keep growing. I'll talk to you later.